Home Remedies presents.
Start using castor oil before bed and see what happens. Castor oil isn't just a pantry item, it's a nighttime powerhouse. From glowing skin to better sleep and even immune support, this ancient remedy is backed by modern science. Let's explore 12 powerful benefits of using castor oil before bed, and how to use it for each one. But first, comment below with your city and country. I love seeing where my viewers are tuning in from. 1. Improve skin health. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, oleic acid, and linoleic acid, all of which hydrate, reduce inflammation, and repair the skin barrier. How to use. Cleanse your face. Apply 2 to 3 drops of castor oil and massage gently. Leave overnight and rinse in the morning. 2. Enhances hair growth. Ricinoleic acid boosts scalp circulation, while omega-9 fatty acids nourish roots and reduce breakage. How to use. Mix castor oil with coconut or almond oil. Massage into scalp and hair. Leave overnight and wash off in the morning. 3. Natural laxative. Castor oil stimulates intestinal movement via prostaglandin release, helping relieve constipation naturally. How to use. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons orally before bed. Or apply a castor oil pack to your abdomen with a warm compress for 30 to 60 minutes. 4. Improve sleep. Castor oil's soothing properties help calm the nervous system and signal the body to wind down. How to use. Massage a few drops onto your temples, neck, or feet. Breathe deeply and relax into sleep. 5. Antimicrobial effects. Undesolenic acid and ricinoleic acid fight fungi and bacteria, protecting skin from infections. How to use. Apply castor oil to clean skin, especially on areas prone to fungal infections. Leave overnight for a protective barrier. 6. Boosts immune system. Castor oil supports lymphatic flow and increases lymphocyte production, your body's natural defenders. How to use. Apply warm castor oil to your abdomen. Cover with a cloth and heating pad for 30 minutes before bed. 7. Reduces acne. Linoleic acid reduces inflammation, oleic acid hydrates, and vitamin E heals scars, making castor oil a gentle acne remedy. How to use. Dab castor oil on acne-prone areas after cleansing. Leave overnight and rinse in the morning. 8. Healing wounds. Castor oil creates a moist healing environment, reduces swelling, and stimulates tissue growth. How to use. Clean the wound. Apply a thin layer of castor oil. Cover with a sterile bandage overnight. 9. Moisturizing dry lips. Ricinoleic acid hydrates deeply, while vitamin E repairs and protects delicate lip skin. How to use. Apply a drop of castor oil directly to lips before bed. Wake up to soft, smooth lips. 10. Reducing joint pain. Ricinoleic acid reduces inflammation markers and blocks pain signals, making castor oil a natural remedy for joint pain. How to use. Warm a small amount of castor oil. Massage into painful joints or muscles before bed. 11. Stimulating lymphatic drainage. Castor oil penetrates the skin and stimulates lymphatic flow, helping detoxify the body overnight. How to use. Apply castor oil to your abdomen or lymph node areas. Use a warm compress or massage gently. 12. Preventing stretch marks. Linoleic and linolenic acids improve skin elasticity and hydration, reducing the appearance of stretch marks. How to use. Apply castor oil to stretch-prone areas after showering. Massage in circular motions before bed. Safety tips before you start. Always do a patch test before applying castor oil to sensitive areas. Use cold-pressed, organic castor oil for best results. Avoid frequent internal use to prevent dependency. Listen to your body, moderation is key.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.